April 22nd, 2023 marks the 53rd anniversary of Earth Day. To celebrate this milestone, Morrocco Method is taking a look at the environment and our responsibility to take care of it. As we face the future, we must ask ourselves, what will be our legacy? Our planet's future is in our hands. We recognize that our responsibility to our planet does not stop there, so we also take measures to reduce our environmental impact by using biodegradable and recyclable packaging, as well as recycled materials for shipping. We support sustainability initiatives in every aspect of our production process. We understand that Earth Day is about more than just environmentalism. It's about education and learning more about our environment, as well as how the products we use day to day can affect it. We can all do our part to protect the planet, starting with supporting sustainable, eco-conscious companies to keep ourselves and our planet safe and beautiful. Take action now by choosing eco-friendly products like ours at Morrocco Method. Companies that are not taking steps towards sustainability are damaging our environment and our way of life. From oil refineries to beauty companies using harmful chemicals, these actions are having devastating effects on the earth. Products made by commercial beauty companies contain ingredients that heavily pollute our soil and water sources, threatening not only the wildlife, but also our own health and well-being. From synthetic fragrances to animal testing, these practices are costing us more than just money. They're costing us our planet's future. But there is hope. At Morrocco Method, we strive to create products that are sustainable, organic, and gentle on the planet. Our 100% pure hair care products are created with only the finest, all-natural ingredients for healthy, beautiful hair.